This is my Glock 30 45. I just got it. I was watching a video on YouTube. I think that guy was Hitchcock 45 or something like that, and I saw his video and I liked it, and I was thinking about getting it, and I was like off and on, and I got myself a 9 too, a Glock. This one I traded over a car PM9. That gun, every time I pull the slide back, it'll jam, and if my life was depending on that gun, I would have got killed right there and then. So I went ahead and traded it for the Glock, and I'm not the only one that was having that problem with that car. Some of my friends, two of my friends, had that gun, and they were having the same problem. And the reason I got the car was because they had it, and I liked it for concealed carry, but it didn't work out for me, and they were getting the same problems, but they just got the gun too, so that's why I got jacked on that. On my 9mm, it's unloaded. Nothing in the chamber. I have a full magazine all the time, ready to go. I don't have no kids, so it's not a big deal. I know it's loaded every time I pick any of my guns. They're always loaded. Even with this one, this one's loaded too. Yeah. But nothing in the chamber. It's just the way I like it. This is my 33 round magazine for my 9mm. I got these three. I don't know if I showed y'all the mags. It's these three plus the one that's in there. I just got this one, so I only have these two. Eventually I'm going to get two more. And my magazines. Sorry about the background, I know it's all messed up, but I gotta work with what I got for right now. This is money that I've just been saving up. I'm a gun collector, so I'm serious about collecting guns. As you can tell, I don't bullshit. See? So yeah, I'll be getting some more guns during the interview, but this is more just showing off what I got. And hope you like my guns. Peace out.